you'll have three chemicals that you're going to run through your dispensing system. I have two here, and the difference is you'll notice there's an H and there's an L following the number, which indicates which chemical it is. The H stands for high flow, which will dispense at 3 gallons per minute and is indicated by the bucket on the label. The L will dispense at 1 gallon per minute, and you'll see the diagram of the bottle over here, which indicates your bottle fill. The two products we have here that we're showing is the 3H and the 5L. The 5L is your restroom disinfectant cleaner or your general purpose disinfectant. The 3H is your neutral floor cleaner to be used in your mop buckets and auto scrubbers. You will also have a number 34L, which is a low flow number 34. It's a hydrogen peroxide cleaner, which is your general purpose cleaner, which would take the place of your alpha HP. Let's look at the dispenser. Your dispenser on the wall, you have your water feed, which is on a quick disconnect to your faucet. You have your bottle fill tube, which is always connected to your dispenser. It can be removed by a twist and a pull. And on the side, you have your bucket fill. It's stored on the side. For your bucket fill, this simply slides over the tube and can lock into place. This would be used to fill your auto scrubber or your bucket. When storing, pop in the side. To use the chemical, we'll use a low flow bottle, the disinfectant cleaner. The chemical is inserted in the top and pushed down. You'll turn your water on. Once you turn the bottle, you'll dispense chemical. So for dispensing chemical, there's no buttons or levers. It's simply inserting the bottle and turning with the chemical that you want in the dispenser. I want to show you a little bit how the chemical is dispensed within the dispenser, because there is something that we don't want to do while we're dispensing the chemical. Our bottle's in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this and I'm going to get the water flowing and get the chemical flowing. When we look inside and the camera's looking towards the inside, you're going to see a steady drip of chemical, just a stream coming down into the water. Then what's going to happen is I'm going to squeeze the bottle just a little touch or manipulate it with my hand, and you'll see that a lot more chemical will start rushing out. That's what we want to avoid. We want to avoid leaving our hand on the bottle when we're dispensing. So again, I'm going to start here. You'll see a stream, and then you'll see it start to come out a little faster when I squeeze. So when we're complete, we want to always remove the bottle from the dispenser. One other thing we want to be aware of is that if we're using our high flow, now remember underneath here we have a small hose that's used for a bottle flow. So if we put this hose over and we at all have to elevate this hose, what we're going to do is we're going to start to pinch the small hose inside. And remember, with the H, we have a lot more chemical and water coming out. So what can happen in that case, and you'll see, is you'll start to get some foam that'll come out of the top. Perfectly normal. All that means is that we're starting to crimp the inside. So in the case that you have to elevate this hose to fill anything, what you'll want to do is to remove the bottle fill hose, replace the bucket fill hose, and you can see even then when I'm elevated, I'm going to get flow, and I'm not going to get it backed up, and I'm not going to get foam outside the dispenser.